We're just out here today harvesting leaf for our koalas that we have in care. So I've just pruned up a few trees out here in one of the plantations that we cut in. So this plantation out here has been purpose planted for koalas. As you can see, I've just pruned a few bits down and now I'm just going to trim it up a bit smaller so we can take it back to the hospital and feed it to the koalas we have in care.
So my name's Chloe and I am one of the main leaf cutters up here at the Eumundi facility. I work with all of our koalas and get them all ready for their release. So here we have little Bucket. She has been in for a couple months now. She came in with a bunch of lesions on her skin, but over the past month we've seen some amazing healing and she should be pretty ready for release soon, I would say. And here we have little Gem. Gem come in with conjunctivitis. She does actually have a baby in her pouch, little Ruby. We've been seeing snippets of the baby every now and then.
I've been working with koalas for about 13 years now. This is a pretty niche job. I get to get outside every day. I get to know all the different species of eucalypt trees that we have here in southeast Queensland. This one is Eucalyptus teraticornis, so Queensland blue gum. So this one's sort of considered the koala's favourite species here in southeast Queensland. And you can even see how they look a bit different. You see the blue gum compared to the grey gum, differences to them, the way they smell. We're trying to find leaf that has fresh tip on it. So when we're out cutting, this is what we're trying to find. This has the most water content and nutrients in it. So in Australia, there's about 700 species of eucalypt trees. Koalas eat about 50 of those species, and of those 50s they have their favourites, and then they even have favourite parts of the tree that they prefer to eat. So yeah, they're notoriously picky. Because we're getting koalas coming in from all around southeast Queensland, it's important for us to try to give them variation of species from different areas. What a koala might eat over from Straddie or Minjerribah is going to be different to what a koala prefers to eat, say, if it was from Toowoomba.
I think it's so important what we do here. You know, it's such a good location on the Sunshine Coast and pretty primary to a lot of the populations we have around here as well. And I take so much passion in my role here at RSPCA and being able to help these little guys out. You know, everyone that goes back out is another win. So here we have little Cashmere, and she's been in for a couple months now, but we are seeing some tremendous improvements in her finally. She had a case of cystitis. She should be heading back out sometime soon because she's definitely ready to.
So Ewan's had a few different species today. So we've got the Queensland blue gum, we've got some propinqua, so grey gum, we've also got some dunny-eye, some white gum, and also some Eucalyptus robusta. So we try to give them a few different species every day, just to sort of promote them eating a bit of variety. So this is all the fresh leaf that we've cut this morning. So now we're just putting it into the enclosure for the koala to eat, and then tomorrow we'll repeat the process and it gets changed out, and we cut fresh leaf and change it out the next day. So this happens every single day and this is how we keep them fed. I think my role here at RSPCA is an important part of the rehabilitation that we have of our koalas and other animals that we have in care. It's important that we're feeding them correctly and giving them the best chance to get back out there.